Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying on these Kiss Salon Acrylic nails. So these are the French tip nails. As you can see, I already opened up the box, but I'll tell you guys what comes in this kit. So it comes with 28 nails, pink gel glue, a mini file manicure stick. So when it comes to nails, I am not one to do my nails all the time. Probably only gotten my nails done a total of like 6 times in an actual nail salon. So I am not the best with doing my nails. It's just, I've never really cared to do it. When I paint my actual nails, I usually put on too many layers and then, you know, you get those little bubbles or it takes forever to dry and you usually get them smudged. That's me all day, every day. That's why I usually just go bare. Which, now that I'm recently engaged, I'm trying to up my nail game, and I've heard very good things about these Kiss nails. They're supposed to last a week, but I was reading reviews and a lot of people say it lasts even longer than that, so that's great. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take soapy water, and I'm going to soak my fingernails into the water, and then I'm going to take my manicure stick and just move the cuticles down. I know that some people like to cut off their cuticles, but I've heard that that can cause infection, so I'm not trying to do that, especially since I'm not a pro. And then I'm going to take the nail file and file my nails, because if you basically buff the top layer, I guess it'll grip the nail better, so it'll last longer. I forgot to mention this earlier, but right here I'm taking a Q-tip with acetone and rubbing it on my fingernails just to clean them. So here you have it, guys. This is the final result. Honestly, I'm really impressed. I like how they came out. Some of them could have looked a lot better just because I didn't put enough glue on these two especially. So I can definitely see the air pockets, but all in all, I'm very impressed with myself. I think it was really easy, and I mean, I'm gonna write down below in the description box how long they do last, but all in all, I am very impressed, and I think I might just take this route from here on out. Hi guys, so I'm actually filming this a couple of weeks after I initially filmed the first video, so just wanted to let you guys know what happened with these nails. I didn't make it to day 7. Because by day 6 I was already pulling them off. They were too long, and on day 5 I missed one of the nails. It fell off and I have no idea where it went, so I wasn't gonna walk around with 9 press-on nails, you know? By day 3 you can already see the glue like lifting from the bottom. It didn't look good, especially since they were clear. It was so obvious. From a distance they looked fine, but up close and personal they were not cute. I do like the nails. I just wish I would have gone with a more solid color because then you can't see the glue. I know that the Kiss nails also come with, I think, like a two-sided tape that you could put on your nail. I didn't see that in my package. I think I initially had it and I threw it out by accident. So you can make them more of a press-on nail. Maybe that's the way to go with like the clear colored nail, because otherwise it's just like you can see the glue and it just does not look good. So there you have it, guys. That is my whole spiel. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, please hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.